Hello, everyone. The topic for today is 5 cloud cost management strategies that work.
Agenda for this webinar is as shown here. At the end of the webinar, you'll learn about why cloud cost visibility is powerful, how visibility can be achieved in cloud environments, the 5 essential cloud cost management strategies, and finally, how you can get the most out of your cloud investment by monitoring them. With increasing measures taken worldwide aimed at keeping people at home to quell the spread of COVID-19, majority of industries are finding themselves in the same situation: how to equip and empower their workforce for remote working. Hence, the pandemic has brought with it a fundamental rethink of where and how we work, thus bringing with it its own challenges. With work from home being the new normal, there's a rise in digital transformation and cloud computing technologies. Since the teams are working remotely, tracking the cloud cost will be another challenge in itself. During challenging time, as in the current pandemic, businesses that fully committed themselves to digital transformation are likely to be in a better position to support mobile working and team collaboration. Digital transformation is about finding out which systems have solid integrations to share data across applications, breaking the silos, and creating a more flexible ecosystem. As businesses now have to reshape, sometimes reinvent themselves in these unprecedented economical and social conditions, it appears that the wake up call for digital transformation is here. The graph provides a market analysis on how COVID 19 has impacted the cloud market. From this graph, it is clearly evident that the cloud market has been rapidly growing across the globe since 2019 and has only been accelerated because of the current pandemic. This reinforces the fact that digital transformation and cloud technologies are here to stay. A rapid response to COVID 19, enabling millions to work remotely, has been possible because of the advanced cloud computing technologies. Public clouds have always been strategic drivers of digital transformation. COVID 19 fails to dent the aggressive growth in cloud spending, with half of the Q1 market belonging to the Amazon and Microsoft. The market share of public clouds grew to 29 billion USD in the first 3 months of 2020, with half of that revenue seen by the two leaders: Amazon Web Services, which ended Q1 with 32% market share, and Microsoft Azure with 18%. With such good numbers, we can expect that a post pandemic business model largely depends on public clouds like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and GCP. Let's take a look at the market challenges prevalent in the cloud realm. IT security and data protection is the chief concern for enterprises across the globe for cloud migration. Cloud cost control is the second largest challenge that enterprises need to deal with. Governance, lack of end to end cloud visibility, and managing multi cloud scenarios are various other challenges. Despite the cost and the labor effectiveness of cloud architecture, these statistics clearly reveal the need of an expert insight into your cloud spending. Public cloud providers' bills are confusing. You need to be able to understand what you're charged for. It is also important to see where your spend is going, ideally with a slice and dice reporting, so you can analyze by cost, by team, project, and resource type, and ensure an internal chargeback based on the consumption. Hence, having a clear visibility of your cloud cost is imperative. With a good clarity in your cloud cost spending, you obtain a better control over IT management and data security, avoid duplicating the cost and capabilities of existing applications, monitor the cost spending in shadow IT environments, and take critical cloud decisions based on the spending. Hence, a cloud cost management solution is essential to provide clear visibility into your cloud cost. Cloud Spend from Site 24/7 provides you with the perfect cloud cost management software to manage your cloud cost. We have built a SaaS based cloud cost management tool that provides cost as a metric to quantify your cloud migration. With Cloud Spend, you get in depth visibility into the AWS cost accrued. Let's check out the 5 strategies that we use at Cloud Spend to manage your cloud cost better. 1. Organize your cloud cost. Tags are a powerful feature to organize data. You can use customized labels based on the usage of your account. For example, consider a project that contains the services applicable for an application. One set of tags could represent the components of that application, that is, front end and back end. Another set of tags could represent common cost accrued. Creating customized tags based on the usage type of account is an efficient way to organize your cloud cost. You can also add customized tags to reserved instances and scheduled instances to understand the cost accrued for them and optimize your AWS spend further. Tag Profiles in Site 24/7 provides users with customized labels that combine user-defined parameters including region, service, resource, data transfer, etc. to help you determine your cloud cost. The below dashboard provides you with various tag profiles that are used. All these three tag profiles can have an individual cost account or a business unit to choose from. Here, you can view the cost for the region at US East, US West, and the spent for a specific service in AWS for different months. In addition to using tag profiles to combine the tags and display the cloud cost, you can also use tags that are predefined to view the cost. This slide provides you a view of the cloud cost based on the predefined tags. For an effective tagging strategy, 2 pointers to be kept in mind are shown here. 1. Leave no room for confusion in the tags application. 2. The tag name must make sense at scale, especially when the new names are being added. The second strategy is about consolidating the account. Based on your organization's cloud architecture, the functions to be performed on the cloud varies across the team. When you consolidate the accounts by creating business units, you can easily assign ownership for the cloud cost to a business owner. With business units, you can view the monthly cloud cost and see the percentage change in the cloud cost accrued for a particular unit. This ensures the accountability of your cloud bills as well. 3. Allocate budgets. When users can simply swipe a credit card with no oversight, tracking your cloud cost is not easy. Creating a budget and allocating it to different teams in your organization helps monitor overspending. Configure the alerts for when a department overshoots a set budget. Example, 2000 USD per month for a specific team. The budgeting alerts can be triggered on a monthly, yearly, or a quarterly basis. You can allocate budgets for each of the account or project and get alerted on overspending. You can view the current spend, the budget allocated, and the difference between the two in order to monitor the overspending. A granular analysis of expenditure. A spend analysis section to view where your cloud cost has been spent based on the service, region, resource, and individual cloud component is mandatory. You can also obtain a drill down cost analysis for each of the AWS resource and monitor where your costs are being accrued using the Resource Explorer session. The different cost views that you obtain with Cloud Spend include resource, tags, service, account, region, cost trends, component, data transfer, and instance type. This is the Resource Explorer view of the cost. Here, you can view the cost being segmented according to each cloud resource in use. This way, you get an in-depth analysis on which of the resources are consuming your cloud cost and examine the individual resources to cut down your cost. With Site 24/7 Cloud Spend, you can also view the cloud cost based on the service with a list of the top 3 services where the cost has been accrued. You can also view the cost by service at various account levels by hovering over this image. These are the cost views based on the account split up and the region. Using the account split up of the cost, it will be easier to track the cost accrued by the remote teams of an organization. Let's take a look at the Cloud Spend console for a better understanding. So this is a Site 24/7 account. You need to click the top left corner where you can navigate to the Cloud Spend. So this is the Cloud Spend console. Here you can view the different accounts that has been integrated with Cloud Spend. On the click of the account, you'll be taken to the spend analysis section of that particular account. This is the overview section, which gives you the total cost, the maximum spending amount, and the minimum spending amount and the team name. The account split up view provides you with the cost accrued across various accounts configured with Cloud Spend. The cost by service view provides the view of different services and the individual costs accrued. It also provides you with the top 3 services where the cost has accrued the maximum cost. You also get to view the cost trend, the cost by region, the cost by resource, the cost by data transfer, the cost by component, and the instance type. Let's take a look at the cost by service view to understand which service has accrued how much of the cost in the last few months. You need to click the View Details section. So here we have approached the Resource Explorer section, which has the account view, region view, service view, as well as a tags view. Let's take a look at the cost by service view to understand which service has accrued. So from this graph, it is evident that the month of December has the maximum bills. As you scroll down, you can also view the cost view for the last few months for individual services. And on the click of each service, you understand which accounts are using this particular service as well. In this way, you get a deep-drilled analysis of where your cloud cost is accrued. The fifth strategy in discussion is about utilizing the cost reports. With Cloud Spend, you get a slice and dice reporting of your AWS cost across multiple accounts from a single console. The customized reports can be chosen to be delivered to your inbox as often as you choose to analyze the cost per user, team, project, and resource type based on the consumption. Additionally, you can also schedule when the customized reports are to be delivered, making it easier for you to track the cost. Let's revisit the 5 essential cloud cost management solutions provided. 1. Organize the cloud cost. 2. Consolidate the accounts. 3. Allocate the budgets. 4. Analyze the expenditure. And 5. Utilizing the cost reports. The Cloud Spend pricing tier starts with the freemium account. When your AWS bills to be passed are below 3000 USD, in this tier, you can keep using our product for free. If you fall in the second tier, that is, if your AWS bills are between 3000 and 100,000 USD, then you will be charged 0.8% of the AWS bills. If you fall in the second or the third tier, you need to upgrade the product to keep synchronizing your AWS bills. And in the last tier, you'll be charged 0.5% of the AWS bills, and all these billing will be done on a monthly basis. The future plans at Cloud Spend include the support for other cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure and the Google Cloud. Few pointers to be kept in mind while choosing a cloud cost management tool are as follows. It must contain the cost dashboards, tagging strategies, team views, budgeting, trend analysis of the cost, resource details including their cost, spend analysis, and a scheduled cost report. Let's take a look on how monitoring can complement your cost strategy. Site 24/7 provides monitoring support for AWS with almost 35 plus integrations. The services for which we provide out-of-the-box support include EC2, Lambda, Elastic Beanstalk, Route 53, SNS, S3 buckets, and many more. The dashboard displayed here is the inventory dashboard, where you can gain a high-intensity snapshot of your entire AWS infrastructure with details on the best practices for AWS monitoring, the resource history, the resource breakdown by region, and the enabled services. Site 24/7 facilitates monitoring your metrics like the load average, throughput, memory usage, CPU usage, and many more metrics of your choice from a single console. You simply need to drag and drop the metrics that you wish to view to this custom dashboard and start monitoring them in a unified manner. With Site 24/7, you get an accurate right sizing with monitoring metrics that are not provided by native providers. Another unique feature is the guidance report for an optimized AWS spend. We provide best practice recommendations for your entire AWS infrastructure. Site 24/7 examines the configuration and resource utilization of AWS services and provides recommendations to optimize the cost, improve the fault tolerance, and the performance of your AWS infrastructure. The guidance report is categorized based on the cost, availability, and security with individual levels of severity like high, moderate, and low. As we near the end of the session, let's take a quick look at the key takeaway from this webinar. When it comes to cloud cost management, there are several capabilities that you need in order to capitalize on the insights gained. The three important ones are ability to allocate cost to teams, ability to track the overspending, and an ability to optimize the spending. If you've enjoyed learning about the various cloud cost management strategies at CloudSpend, please do book yourself for a full-fledged demo session on the 27th of May. Now that we have completed the deep dive into the cloud cost management strategies, let's take a quick look at the complete monitoring list that we boast. As a full-stack solution, Site 24/7 also provides with other options to monitor the different parts of your infrastructure. This slide contains the list of the third-party integrations that we have integrated at Site 24/7. They include Jira, PagerDuty, ConnectWise, ServiceNow, Slack, OpsGenie, MoonSoft, and many more. Site 24/7 lets you stay connected from anywhere and anytime. We provide you with connectivity on the go by providing our apps available in iPhone, Android, mobile web, and desktop. As mentioned earlier, Site 24/7 has over 10,000 customers worldwide. Some of our biggest customers are shown in this slide. So thank you all for your time.